Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram posts not showing or how to fix Instagram not showing new posts. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for Instagram and you want to tap on Instagram as you want to check if the app needs updating. And if it needs updating, you're going to tap on update. As you can see, mine doesn't need updating. After you have updated the app, you will close out of Play Store. Then you're going to go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down until you see apps. And from here, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner. And you're going to type in Instagram. Then you're going to select Instagram and you're going to scroll down a bit and tap on storage. Then you want to tap on clear cache and clear data. After you have done that, you will close out of settings and try again to go into Instagram, and after you're logged back into Instagram, your problem should be solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.